Nature is full of incredible creatures with astonishing defense mechanisms. The octopus, for instance, can shoot a cloud of ink, obscuring its escape route from predators. Armadillos, on the other hand, can roll into a tight ball, providing armor against attackers. The pufferfish inflates itself, becoming too large for predators to swallow. Meanwhile, the bombardier beetle ejects a hot, noxious chemical spray, deterring any potential threat. Some frogs even use bright colors to warn of toxicity, while others mimic dead or uninteresting objects to avoid attention. These unique strategies showcase the ingenuity of evolution and the lengths animals will go to survive in the wild.